Creating music is a rewarding and expressive process that can be enjoyed by people of all ages and skill levels. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro, there are always new things to learn and explore in the world of music creation. So, today we'll talk about how to create a music video. So let's get started. So, guys, first go to Google and search Tuner Voice Mod. After you search, click the first link. This is the unlimited, free sound clips. So scroll down, you see text to song options. So, click them and click the generate song. After you click so, select your voice tune like I am. Select this second, select your singer and click the next. Third, give your music lyrics and click the create song and tune. Voice mood was create your song. But what if your song is create now? So, don't forget to like and subscribe. Second, click the download button and download your voice. Third, go to Google and search piker.art. After you search, click the join beta options. After click again, click the accept and you are in Discord. So, scroll down, so you see left many generate options. So, click the once. Third, go to Google and search limewire.com and click the try beta and click the image and give a prompt about a beautiful anime boy. So, download this image and go to piker.art and search / and click the animation button and drop here your image and wait some times to generate your image. So, guys, this time I am don't talk actually, this is time to CapCut. So, let's drive to CapCut.
After ready your video, so click the export button and export your video.
Thanks for watching.
Solum cadentum, freakus, intus, sentence meant to care, milo, feeding, to me, upper the book and said in the woe, me on the blind, Gluviosus, dysomnia, Solum in me, feck on me, sensi, idea, what possum explicate, within, then this, vocus, no memorable, no, it's the possible, Gluvia.